If you're into two-strokes and crave that raw, responsive power, you need to hear about the 2026 Yamaha YZ125. Yamaha's latest update to this iconic bike is more than just a refresh, it's a statement. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where we break down the latest in Mototech with zero fluff and all the facts. Let's dive in. Design. First up, design. The 2026 YZ125 keeps that aggressive, race-ready look with sharp lines and a slimmer profile, but with some welcome refinements. Yamaha's updated the ergonomics with a more tapered seat and narrower shrouds for improved rider movement. It's still unmistakably YZ, but now even more streamlined and race-focused. Performance. Now, the heart of the beast, performance. The 125 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled two-stroke engine gets updated port timing and a revised exhaust for snappier throttle response and improved low-end torque. It absolutely rips through the mid-range and carries power all the way to the top. Whether you're a beginner stepping into racing or a seasoned rider chasing lightweight thrills, this bike delivers. Features and technology. On the tech side, Yamaha didn't hold back. It features an updated Keihin carb with refined jetting for crisper throttle feel, plus revised suspension settings in the KYB fork and shock for better control on rough terrain. And yes, the YZ125 still weighs in light, keeping that unbeatable flickable feel. Conclusion. So, is the 2026 YZ125 still the king of the 125 class? We think it just tightened its grip. If you're as excited as we are about where two-strokes are headed, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button for more honest moto reviews, only here on Next Gen Reviews.